Tonight in this video I am going to talk about nouns. Yes, definition, how to decide whether it's a noun or not, and the confusion it creates sometimes, rather most of the time. When I was a child, like other children, I was also given the definition to memorize, and that was noun is the name of a person, place or thing, etc. The reason I am emphasizing on the term etc. is what was hidden in the that etc. was always confusing to me. I tried to find out the answer, but I could never get the satisfactory one. And with this confusion, I grew up. When I passed my 10th, I decided to work on my grammar more, and then I found the answer. And that is something which I am going to share with you all in this video. Noun is something which is visible to our eye. That is the definition of only four nouns. So there are five nouns, and the fifth noun, that is abstract noun, it will not come under this category. Only four nouns we can see. So there it will be easy for us to identify, right? Whatever we can see, like the wall behind me, the window, the box, the clothes, the books, etc. But what about this abstract noun? And you know what? Abstract noun and another parts of speech, that is adjective, they have some similarity, and that creates confusion actually, because they both are related to quality. Abstract noun is the name of a quality, and adjective is something which talks about the quality of a noun or pronoun. So that's okay, but it was very confusing to me, especially in the childhood. When is this the name of quality, and when does it talk about the quality? I was always I was always unable to figure it out. So what I found is, whenever we have such confusion, we should ask one question, and the question is, what do you have? Like suppose honest and honesty, one is adjective and another one is abstract noun. So whenever we have confusion, like okay, honest is noun or adjective, then we must ask this question, what do you have? Do you have honesty or do you have honest? You will get the answer. So this question helped me a lot. Now I never make mistakes in identifying this. So hope it helps you too. And in adjective, we can ask question like how is something? Like how is she? She is beautiful. And what does she have? She has beauty. So this way I helped myself. Hope it helps you too. Thank you.